Hello dear students, as we have been reading the chapter Going Places in the syllabus of class 12th, so we will resume with page number 79. I have earlier told you that this story is about a young girl named Sophie, and she always lives in imagination. She has the world of dreams. She has big dreams as she thinks that she will become a fashion designer or an actress, or she will buy a boutique, etc. But she belongs to a lower middle class family. But her economic status does not come in the way of her dreams. And on the other hand, she has a close friend named Jency, who is worldly wise, and she asks her to talk sensible. Sophie's father is a hard-working man, and her mother is also burdened with hard work. She has two brothers, Derek, who is the younger one, and Geoff, her favorite brother. That means she likes her brother Geoff very much because Geoff is the one who always listens to her and believes on her wild stories. So Sophie is in habit to make wild stories. And she thinks that her brother also has an imaginative world. That's why she always wants to reach to those places about which she thinks that her brother imagines. But her brother is very reserved. He talks very less. So Sophie has special fascination about those places which she thinks that her brother is lost in the memory of those places, and these places are unknown to her and remain out of her reach. That's why she has special fascination, attraction towards those places. Perhaps there were also people, exotic, interesting people of whom he never spoke. It was possible, though he was quiet and didn't make new friends easily. So Sophie thinks perhaps the people of the world of her brother, about which he always thinks, because her brother talks very less. तो सोफी को लगता है कि शायद उस दुनिया के लोग जिसके बारे में उसका भाई सोचता है, वहाँ भी लोग होंगे, ऐसी कोई दुनिया होगी, exotic. And she thinks that is very exotic, very special, interesting people of whom he never spoke. शायद वहाँ के लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होंगे, तभी तो जिनके बारे में उसने कभी बात नहीं की है. It was possible, हो सकता है. Though he was quiet and didn't make new friends easily, because her brother was so quiet and he never made new friends, didn't make new friends easily. So she thinks that her brother is lost in other world. That's why he doesn't make friends easily, because he does not need the friends of this world. ऐसा सोफी का सोचना है, उसको लगता है ऐसा. She longed to know them. So Sophie has a desire to know those people, the people of her brother's imaginary world. She wished she could be admitted more deeply into her brother's affections. So Sophie wished she could be admitted. Sophie को मन है कि वो अपने ब्रदर के उस मामलों में, उन चीज़ों में जिससे कि उसका ब्रदर संबंधित है, उनमें और गहराई से एंटर कर पाए. Sophie wants to know about her brother's world and that someday he might take her with him. और सोफी को लगता है कि एक ना एक दिन उसका भाई ज़रूर उसको शायद वहाँ ले जाएगा अपने साथ, यानी कि बताएगा. He will share his secrets with her. Though their father forbade it and Geoff had never expressed an opinion. हालांकि इस तरह की जो आइडियाज़ हैं इमेजिनेशन के, उसके पिता कभी भी उसको अलाउ नहीं करते. एंड Geoff had never expressed an opinion, लेकिन Geoff ने कभी इस बारे में कोई राय एक्सप्रेस नहीं की. She knew he thought हर टू यंग। क्यों नहीं करता है ब्रदर शेयर? सोफी को ऐसा लगता है, वो सोचती है कि शायद उसके भाई को लगता है कि वो छोटी है, इसलिए वो अपने आइडियाज़ उसके साथ शेयर नहीं करता है। एंड शी वॉज इम्पेशेंट, दैट्स वाई दिस मेक्स सोफी इम्पेशेंट। शी वॉज कॉन्शियस ऑफ अ वास्ट वर्ल्ड out there waiting for her. So Sophie thought about a vast world, कि एक बहुत बड़ी दुनिया होगी शायद ऐसी जिसके बारे में उसका भाई सोचता है, out there waiting for her, और वो दुनिया उसका वेट कर रही होगी। and she knew instinctively, और सबको मन में अंदर पता है ये बात, that she would feel as at home, that place would be as safe as home, वो इतना अच्छा होगा जैसे उसका घर है। There as in the city which had always been her home, शायद वहाँ ऐसा ही शहर होगा जो हमेशा से उसका घर ही रहा होगा, मतलब कि वो उसी दुनिया में पैदा हुई होगी और वही उसका घर होगा। वो दुनिया जिसके बारे में सोफी को लगता है एक बहुत बड़ी दुनिया होगी, ये इमेजिनेशन है उसकी, और हमेशा से वही उसका घर रहा होगा। It expectantly awaited her arrival, and that world would wait for her arrival expectantly, और बड़ी आशा से, बड़ी आतुरता से वो दुनिया उसका वेट कर रही होगी, सभी लोग वहाँ पे। She saw herself riding there behind Geoff, and Sophie in her imagination sees her brother and herself as she sees herself riding there behind Geoff. उसको लगता है कि Geoff आगे चलेगा और वो उसके पीछे जा रही होगी उस दुनिया में जहाँ पे लोग उसका वेट कर रहे होंगे बड़ी उत्सुकता से। He would knew, ये सब उसकी इमेजिनेशन है, वो सोच रही है ऐसा कि शायद ऐसी कोई दुनिया होगी जिसके बारे में Geoff भी सोचता होगा। She wore new shining black He wore new shining black leathers and she a yellow dress. And Sophie, she imagined that in that world her brother wore new shining black leathers. कि उस दुनिया में जब वो पहुँचेंगे ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, वो उसी दुनिया में ही पैदा हुई हो और उसी दुनिया में ही उसका घर हो हमेशा से। इमेजिन कर लिया उसने। उसके ब्रदर ने शाइनिंग ब्लैक कलर की लेदर के कपड़े पहने होंगे और उसने खुद ने येलो ड्रेस विद अ काइंड ऑफ अ केप, एक तरीके के केप के साथ। केप इज लाइक अ फिश, दुपट्टे की तरह, जैसे पीछे लॉन्ग ड्रेस जो होती है, दैट फ्लू आउट बिहाइंड, वो दुपट्टा जो पीछे उसके लहरा रहा होगा। इस तरह की दुनिया, इस तरह का एक्साइटिंग वर्ल्ड, एग्जॉटिक वर्ल्ड वो इमेजिन कर लेती है वहीं पर। व्हेन शी थिंक्स अबाउट हर ब्रदर एंड हर ब्रदर्स वर्ल्ड, तो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि शायद वो दुनिया ऐसी होगी और एक दिन वो ऐसे पहुँचेंगे, वो उसका ब्रदर वहाँ, और पीपल वुड वेट फॉर देम एंड दे वुड वियर न्यू ड्रेसेस। देयर वॉज द साउंड ऑफ applause, and when they would arrive there, people would clap for them as the world rose to greet them. पूरी दुनिया उनके स्वागत में खड़ी हो जाएगी। He sat frowning at the oily component he cradled in his hands. This was the imagination of Sophie. But now we come to reality. Sophie was thinking about her brother's world, and that's why she imagined about these things. ये दुनिया ऐसी कोई दुनिया होगी जिसके बारे में उसका भाई सोच रहा होता है, क्योंकि हमेशा से उसका सपना इस तरह की वर्ल्ड में रहने का ही। He sat frowning at the oily component he cradled in his hands. Now we talk about present, and at present her brother, who is repairing a component of motorcycle, and he has spreaded the newspapers over a carpet. तो फ्राउनिंग एट द ऑयली कंपोनेंट, फ्राउनिंग त्योरी चढ़ा के बड़े ध्यान से वो बैठ कर देख रहा था उसको, ऑयली कंपोनेंट को, उस ऑयली पुर्जे को। ही क्रेडल्ड इन हिज हैंड, जो उसने अपने हाथ में थामा हुआ है। एज दो क्रेडल इज, पालने को भी क्रेडल बोलते हैं, तो इट्स लाइक अ स्टैंड, हाथ में उसने होल्ड किया हुआ है. एज दो इट वर अ स्मॉल डम एनिमल एंड ही वॉज विलिंग इट टू स्पीक, and he was handling that component of motorcycle as though it were, मानो कि ये क्या, because there is an imagination, that's why were is used with it. A small dumb animal, जैसे कि कोई ये एक बेजुबां छोटा सा जानवर हो. And he was willing it to speak, और वो उसको चाहता हो कि वो बोले, बुलवाने की कोशिश कर रहा हो. ऐसे उसने उसको बड़े प्यार से संभाल रखा था उस कंपोनेंट को. Now Sophie has arrived to her brother. Her brother is one who always believes on her. Now Sophie said, I met Danny Casey. Sophie gave this statement. Sophie said this to her brother, that she had met Danny Casey. Now I'll tell you about Danny Casey. Danny Casey is a football player. He is famous and he belongs to Ireland. He is a genius. So Sophie and her family, they are fans of Danny Casey. And every Saturday they go to stadium to watch the football matches, because there is a World Cup which is going on there. So Sophie said she had met Danny Casey. She declared that he looked around abruptly. Where? And her brother, he looked about abruptly. अचानक उसने घूम के देखा, उसके भाई ने, सोफी के ब्रदर ने, और पूछा कहाँ? Because Danny Casey is a celebrity. He is a famous football player. In the arcade, funnily enough. And Sophie declared that she had met Danny Casey in the arcade. Arcade is a covered area, public area. It's never true. And her brother says it can't be true. I did too. But she says, I have met. मैं मिली थी. You told Dad. Then Joe, he asked Sophie if she had told that to their dad. कि क्या उसने ये बात अपने पिता को बताई है, डैडी को बताई है उनके. She shook her head, chastened at his unawareness that he was always the first to share her secrets. This line is very important, students. When Geoff asked her if she had told the same point to their dad, to their father, then she shook her head. तो सोफी ने अपना सिर हिलाया. Chastened at his unawareness, and she felt very painful at this, at the unawareness of her brother, that he was always the first to share her secrets. इस सोफी को ये बात सोचकर उसने सिर हिलाया और उसको बड़ा पेन फील हुआ, उसे दुख हुआ इस बात का, इसका ब्रदर जो है वो इस बात से अनजान है कि वही है, उसका भाई है जिसे हमेशा वो सबसे पहले अपने सीक्रेट्स को शेयर करती है. तो हाउ कैन शी टेल दिस टू देयर डैडी फर्स्ट? तो इसीलिए वो अपने भाई को ही सबसे पहले बताने आई और उसका भाई इस बात से अनअवेयर है. I don't believe it, and her brother said that he didn't believe it. कि उसको इस बात पे विश्वास नहीं है. Because everybody knows that Sophie lives in imagination. She imagines things. Even her brother believes on her, but here also he is not believing on her because he also knows her habit like others. That's why he doesn't believe on Sophie that she has met Danny Casey, because Danny Casey is a celebrity. He's a famous football player. There I was looking at the clothes in Roy's window when someone came and stood beside me, and I looked around, and who should it be but Danny Casey? Then she said, She explained about her meeting, how she had met Danny Casey to her brother. तो अपने भाई को मैनर बताते हो कि वो कैसे मिली डैनी कैसे से, ये बात वो शेयर करती है ताकि उसका भाई बिलीव करे कि वो जो कह रही है वो सच है. बिकॉज नो वन बिलीव्स ऑन हर, because everybody thinks that she always imagines things. She's in habit to imagine things. So she explains, when she was looking at the clothes in Roy's window, it's a, you can say, Roy's window, it's a brand of fashion, you can say, at that time. तो जैसे कोई फैशनेबल कोई शोरूम या शॉप था ये. तो when she was looking for the clothes in Roy's window, then someone came to her and stood beside her. कि तब वहाँ कोई आया और उसके साइड में आके खड़े हो गया. And she looked around, फिर उसने घूम कर देखा. And who should it be? तो पता ये कौन था? और कोई नहीं लेकिन डैनी कैसे था बल्कि. So in this way she had met Danny Casey. Okay students, we'll continue the chapter in next video. Thank you so much.